What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can clone a website and add a backend to it. So in my previous video I show you guys how you can be able to clone a website which is an HTML website, so there's no backend attached to that website. But in this particular website that we are going to be cloning, we are going to be adding a backend to it, which means that users can be able to perform some activities on that website. But before I get started, if you are new to my channel, please kindly do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so that anytime I release a new video like this, you can be able to get notification for that. So let me just quickly show you the website that we are going to be cloning. So I'm going to be cloning this investment website. So this is an investment website, so we are going to be using an investment website in this video. So all we need to do, we just need to come to the site that we want to clone. If you have any sites in mind, just go to that site, copy the link. All we need is just the link. So once you copy the link, then I'm going to be leaving a link in the description for you to be able to get this software. So we are going to be using HTTP tracker. So this is the software that is going to be cloning this particular website. So this particular website, now this software is going to be doing that for us. So if you are using a laptop on like a Windows or MacBook, so I'm going to be also be dropping the link in the description. So this software supported MacBook and Windows, so both devices can go, but in my own case I'm using Windows, as you can see. So I'm going to be leaving the link in the description. So once you have already gotten your software, all you need to do, you need to install the software and launch it. Once you have launched your software, so I've already launched mine, all you need to do, you open this, and this is the interface you need to be seeing. So the next step you need to do, you need to click on this next button. So once we click on this next button, now we are going to be seeing the project name and the project category, and again you are going to be seeing the basic part, which means that the place which you want to save on your computer anytime that you clone a website, or this particular website or this particular project that you want to clone, where do you want it to save on your computer. So I've already given my own part, but if you are not since you are still launching your own new, so you just need to click on this icon here and you just need to select your part. So now I have selected my own, which is this now. So I created a folder, so I'm going to be adding my project name. So I'm going to be using video class, so as my project name. Then the project category, just need to leave it blank like that. Then you select your path, like I said, very important, so as you can be able to know where you store this particular project. So now the next step you need to do, you just need to go to this next button, and like I said, you need to copy the link. So once you copy the link, then we paste it here. So this here, we need to paste the link. So once we paste the link here, then there is no additional button, you just need to click, just leave it like this, click next, then now you also click finish. So once you click on finish, now you just need to wait for this software to start the job. All you just need to do, you just need to sit and relax for this software to do the job for you. So let's give it some few minutes. Alright, if you look at this side now, you can see that our cloning is now completed, right? So the next step you need to do, you just need to view, just click on this browse mirrored website so that you can see watch the job that this software have already done for us. So let's preview this website. So now this is the site here now. So we have already cloned this site. So and you can see very nice, clean, just like the original one. All right. So now that we have cloned our website, we need to compress this site as a zip file so that you can be able to upload it on our server. Just know that this is not uploaded yet in my server. You can see this just loading on my PC, my computer. So you can see the parts, which is this part that I choose. You can see video class, and this is the site URL. So now let's go and save it. Let me just go to my folder and let me go to, all right, this site. Then let's search for the name. I think it's V. Okay, look at it, video class. Then we search for the site name. This is the site name. Make sure that you click on the site name so that for you to be able to get the actual file. So this is the site name here, right? So we just need to go back and we need to compress this particular file now as a zip file. By doing that, you just need to right click, so once you right click, you just click on send, come to the send to, then you click on compress. You can see that is a zip folder, so just click on compress so that they are going to compress it into a zip folder. So now the compression is now complete. You can see it here now. So we just need to go to our server and upload this right now. So depending on the kind of server that you are using, I don't know the kind of server that you are using, but if you want a nice and a reliable hosting platform, so I'm going to be recommending you this platform. So I'm going to be recommending this platform for you guys in case you want to host an investment website or just anything like investments and all that. So I recommended this platform for you because it's a DMCA ignored, so which means that you can host anything that you want, and I've been using them for quite a period of time now, and their hosting, their server is very okay. So but you can use anyone that you want, but if you need a, like if you want your site to be protected and you don't want to experience sites going down and all that, so you can just try this platform. I'm going to be leaving the link on the description also. So once you get your file, so like I say, we need to upload it into our cPanel, right? So I just need to come to my cPanel. So this is my site, this place that I wanted to post it, and this is the site URL here. You can see 404, which means that there's nothing here. So we don't have anything here now. So we need to upload this file. Let me just come to this site, and there I come to this is the site URL here. So and I'm just going to be creating a folder. The reason why I'm doing this is because I'm using a subdomain. So in your own case, you can just add, create a subdomain. I have already used the subdomain, the main domain, to create a website. So I'm just using the subdomain for this tutorial. So in your own case, if you are using the full domain, you can use the full one as the front end, then you use the back end own as a subdomain. So anyone that you prefer. So now let's upload this script here now, since you are going to be using it as a front end, so it's going to be serving as a front end. So now we upload this. All right, so this is the script here now. We just need to click on the script and then we upload it. So just need to wait for the uploading to complete. So it's just going to be taking a few minutes. It's now complete, so you just need to wait for this thing to be green before you can be able to skip or go back. Just wait for it to be green. So now you just need to go back. So on this side now, we just need to extract this file because this is our front end and this is our back end. so take note of that. So by doing that, you just need to just put your cursor on it, then just tap on it, then you right click, then you click on extract. Yeah, we just need to extract the file. Yeah, I think we are done. So you just need to refresh this, then we go enter into the folder. Once you enter into the folder, you select all. Once you select all, then you just right click again, then you move. So now let's move it to the main domain that we want it to to display, which is this subdomain now. So once you have moved the folder name, just leave it to your domain name, which is your subdomain or any one that you are using. So if you are using the public_html, just delete it to you reach to the public_html. Then just click on this move file. Then once you click on this move file, the file has been moved, and see all the file here now. So let's come back to this side and let's refresh this. So you can see that the site is now working perfectly. So the site is now working perfectly. Yeah, everything is nice and working perfectly, just like the one that we cloned. So for us to add our back end so that we can integrate these buttons and all that, so we just need to add our back end. So I've already gotten my script for that, which is this online data. So this is the script I'm going to use. So by doing that, I need to create a folder and name it app. So I'm going to be naming this folder app, so that I'm going to move this particular stuff, this particular template or this particular script to the app folder, so that you can be using that side as the back end. So I just create my folder. Then all we need to do, we just need to come to this side and right click, then click on move, then we add /app, then we move it into the folder. Alright, so this is it here now. Then we right click again and let's extract it. So we extract into the app folder. Alright, so the extraction is now complete, right? So now let's reload. So this is it here now. So we need to connect our database so that this scripts can be able to work, and then we need to also download this data MySQL, so that we are uploading it into our PHP my admin. So let me just quickly download this. So if you want to get the script, I'm also going to be leaving a link in the description for you to get it. So now once we have downloaded it, we need to come to so we need to go to our cPanel, then we create a database. So let's create a database. So you need to come down to where you will see this database option here now. So once you're in this database option, just click on MySQL, then create a database. So I'm going to be using video class, so as the database name, then I create database. Then we go back, then we're also going to be creating a user for this. So by doing that, also we need to come to MySQL user, add new user. So I'm also going to be using the same name, which is video class for this also. So now in the password side, you just need to click on generate password, this password generator, then you copy this password, or you can just generate a new password and just copy it. So once you copy it, make sure that you copy it in a safe place, because we are going to be using it. Then again, you check this box, I have copied this password in a safe place, then you click on use. So now once you click on use, you need to click on this create user, then we go back. So the last part we need to do now, the last step, we need to connect the user to the database so that they can function together. So we come to our add user to database, then we select video class, then we also select video class. Then after that we click on add, then we click on all privileges, then we click on make changes. All right, I think we are done here now. So the next part we need to do, we need to configure our templates, which is the back end that we are going to be using. So this is the back end, right? So we need to come to this env, then we click on edit, then we edit the file. Then in this database password, I think I got the database and password, and I paste it here. And again we go to where we extract, okay, this the database name and the username. So take note that I use same name as the database user and the database, so which means that let me just copy this once. So but if you use different thing, you just copy it, come back to this side, you paste it, which is if it is the database, you come to your database and paste it. If it is the user, you come to user and paste it. So let me just paste it here and also paste it here. So then we click on save changes. All right, so now we need to do another step. By doing that, we need to go to our php my admin so that this script can start working. So we need to come to php my admin. So there's a place here now, php my admin. All right, so we locate our database name, which is video class. This is it. Then we tap on it, then you come to this import section so that we can be able to import our database that we downloaded from the script. So you click on import file, then we select the file. Let me go to my download. So this is the file here, import it, then you click on go. So our database is now imported successfully. You can see import has been successful, finished. Our database here now, which means that our site is good to go. So this is our front end, right? So let's copy it and then let me this site, then let's access the back end. Then this is the app, so this is the folder that we install the back end, which is name/app, and we click on go. So now we need to enable PHP version, which is 8.1 for these scripts to be able to work. So by doing that, we need to go back and update our PHP version to 8.1. So let's quickly do that now. So you need to scroll down so you see select PHP version. So you click on it, then we need to select our PHP version, which is 8.1. So then let's search for 8.1. Yeah, this is it. Then click on apply. All right, so now let's refresh this. It's going to work now that we have set up our back end. So all we just need to do, we need to get this code, this link, this login link, the get started link, and if you want to use this link also, you can also use it to embed it on your front page. So this is our front page here. Hope you understand that this is the page that we're going to be using as our front page. So now we need to come here now, copy the link. So let me just copy this, the login link, copy our login link, then we come back here. I think so if us come to this get started, it's going to be taking us to a page which we need to register. Okay, the page is not even available for so we need to remove that page. So just I moved this to the home folder so that we can be able to access our sites on the home side. So now let's go back to our site, then let's reload. All right, so let's go back. So like I said, this is the home folder. We locate the home folder, then we need to search for the index file. So this is the index file here now, then we just need to edit it. need to wait. So now in this place we just need to search for I think there's no login page here. I think it's already the sign up page, but you can include your own login page. So let me just search for buy crypto so that I can include a login button in this side. So by doing that, I just need to locate my file. So let me just search for buy crypto. So this is the buy crypto link here now. So we just need to add our login page. By doing that, we copy this link, just copy this code and we duplicate it. So we paste it, then we change this to login. So we change this to login, then in capital letter. So login, then we'll embed our link here. So let me just paste and put the login link there. Then let's save it and let's refresh this home page and see. If you look at this side, you are going to see that our login page is now appeared here now. So our login page has appeared here. If I click on login now, so we are going to be taken to this site. So this is how you can be able to replace all this link. So you can use this get started link now. Now come to this side and copy this get started link and just come to the page and just click for each particular page. So I think this is the home. So I think this is it. Then we search for get started. So this is it, get started. So we just need to replace it. Then you replace it. Then you click on save. So this is how you can just copy and replace all the okay, so let's do it again. So let's search get started. So we need to paste our link here, then we save. Alright, so once we come to the site, we refresh it. So once we click on this site, now we are going to be directed to the login page. So this is how you can be able to do all this for this link here. Now this is how you can be able to do that. So now from the admin back end, you are going to be managing all this this investment side. If you just want to log in, you can just, if you are using this script, so if you want to get this script from me, so you just want to log into your account, you can just use this this method to log in. You can just /admin. So you input admin login, then add /login. There you go. So now this is where you just need to input your password and your your username. So let me just quickly do that and show you the back end of this particular script. So this is how this back end is. You can see it has many features. You can add your plan, active plan, manage your user, manage deposits, withdrawal, even though KYC application. So and then you can add your admin, and it also has a whole lot of settings. So this is the script that we just use for our back end. So whenever your user comes to this site, so to this your front end, and they say once you have embedded all the link, and they say okay, you want to log in or register or contact you, so it's going to be redirecting them to this particular platform. So this is how you can be able to clone your website and be able to add a back end to it. So if you find this video useful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so that anytime I use a new video like this, you can be able to get a notification for that. See you in my next video.